On your mark, get set, go! Jump, jump, jump! Come on, jump! Why won't he jump?
It's our time with Mr. Mayberry. Hey, let's get creative.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Mr. Mayberry.
The famous American author Mark Twain wrote a story about a jumping frog. Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami jumping frog. So let's get started. It's time to fold. Here's what the frog's going to look like when we get finished today. We're starting with an 8.5 inch by 11 inch piece of paper, and you cut that in half, and that gives you a 4.25 by 11 inch piece of paper. We're going to start this off by folding this left edge over so it lines up against the top, like that. Press down good on your fold. And we open that back up. We're going to turn it around. And now we're going to do this edge, the right edge, up against the top. Okay, we open that up. As you can see, it gives us creases that form an X here on this right side. Okay, I'm going to spin this so that this is at the bottom. For the next fold, what we're going to do is we're going to take the sides and push them in. I'm going to push them in towards these two creases right here. And as I do that, I press on the folds there, and then this top part is going to come down like a triangle. In this case, like an upside down triangle. Okay, let me do that again so you can see it. See how I do that again. The two sides will come in, and as you do that, the top will come down so it makes a triangle shape. Okay, I want to take this triangle and let's point it towards the left. I'm going to lift this flap up here at the bottom, and then I'm going to take the whole edge along the bottom here, and I'm going to fold it to the center, which is even with this crease right here, all the way across. Fold that straight up to there. And this right side, it should line up even on the right side as well, over here. Press down good on that fold. And then we can fold this flap back down. Okay, and we're going to spin this around so it points now to the right, and repeat the same process. I lift up this flap here. I'm going to fold this bottom edge, and this time we have something that we can use as a guide. We're going to make it go alongside the edge of this top piece that's folded over right here. So this piece will line up along the middle. You want them to touch but not to overlap. And press down good on this fold. Okay, this top flap folds back down. And now it looks like an arrow that's pointing right. Okay, let's take it so that it looks like the arrow's pointing straight up. And now we're going to take the right corner and we're going to fold this piece so that it fits up into the top. Just like this. Okay, do the same thing with the left side. Fold it so the point fits inside the top. It's also going to go right along the edge of what we just folded on the right side. So you want them to touch, but not to overlap. Okay, just like that. Okay, now we're going to spin it around so that the pointed part is at the bottom. And I'm going to take that point, I'm going to fold the whole thing in half, and this will touch at the top, along the top edge. It lines up even with the top. And then you fold at the bottom. Press down good on your fold. Okay, now we're going to take it and flip it over. And now we're going to take the bottom edge here and fold it up even with the top. And press down good on your fold. Okay, now you take it and lift the front legs out, adjust the back leg, and it's finished. Now your frog is ready to jump. Press down lightly on the back and let go. And that's our project for today, an origami jumping frog. If you like spring things, you might check out Draw Time with Mr. Mayberry Springtime Edition. And if you like origami, why not check out Origami Time Just the Folds. Thanks for coming to the art room today, and I'll see you next time.
Bye, Mr. Mayberry.
We're going to get you into shape. It's time for spring training. On your mark, get set.